Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats, and all 3 of them were named Gruff. They lived near a lush green hillside, the perfect place to graze and get nice and fat. But to get there, they had to cross a wooden bridge over a rushing stream. And under that very bridge lived a great, ugly troll with eyes as big as saucers and a nose as long as a poker. He was mean, and he was always hungry. One sunny morning, the youngest Billy Goat Gruff decided to be the first to cross. He stepped onto the bridge, and his little hooves went trip, trap, trip, trap on the wooden planks. Suddenly, a terrible voice roared from below. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" The little goat trembled and squeaked in his tiny voice. "Oh, it's only me, the tiniest Billy Goat Gruff. I'm just going up to the hillside to eat grass and make myself fat." The troll snarled, "Oh, are you? Well, I'm coming to gobble you up." But the little goat was clever. "Oh no, please don't take me. I'm much too small, you see. Wait just a little while for the second Billy Goat Gruff. He's much bigger than I am." The troll thought about this. A bigger goat would be a better meal. "Fine," he grumbled. "Be off with you." And so the youngest Billy Goat Gruff scampered across the bridge to safety. A little while later, the second Billy Goat Gruff came along. He was a bit bigger and a bit braver. He stepped onto the bridge, and his hooves went trip, trap, trip, trap, much louder this time. Immediately, the troll's voice boomed. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" The second goat answered in a stronger voice. "It's me, the second Billy Goat Gruff, and I'm going to the hillside to make myself fat." The troll roared back, "Now I'm coming to gobble you up." But this goat had a plan to, "Oh no, please don't eat me. Wait for my brother, the big Billy Goat Gruff. He's the biggest of us all and would make a much better feast for you." The troll was greedy, and the thought of an even bigger goat made his mouth water. "Very well," he bellowed. "Be off with you." And the second Billy Goat Gruff trotted quickly across the bridge to join his little brother. Finally, it was time for the big Billy Goat Gruff to cross. He was huge, with long curved horns and a thick, shaggy coat. He stepped onto the bridge with a thunderous stomp. Trip, trap, trip, trap. The bridge groaned and creaked under his immense weight. The troll was furious. "Who's that tramping over my bridge?" he shrieked, his voice echoing through the valley. The big Billy Goat Gruff wasn't scared at all. He lowered his head and answered in a deep, booming voice of his own, "It's me, the big Billy Goat Gruff." The troll scrambled up onto the bridge, his saucer eyes glaring. "I've been waiting for you. Now I'm coming to gobble you up." But the big Billy Goat stood his ground and roared right back at him. "Well, come along then. I've got 2 sharp spears, and I'll poke your eyeballs out at your ears. I've got 2 big curling stones, and I'll crush you to bits, body and bones." And before the troll could even react, the big Billy Goat charged. He lowered his mighty horns, flew at the troll, and knocked him right off the bridge. The troll fell with a huge splash into the stream below and was washed away, never to be seen again. After that, The big billy goat Gruff calmly walked across the rest of the bridge and joined his brothers on the hillside. The 3 billy goats ate the sweet green grass all day long. They got so fat they could barely walk home again. And if the fat hasn't fallen off them yet, well, they're probably still there enjoying the sunshine. Snip, snap, snout, this tale's told out. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.